Welcome, my name is Michael Cassell. I'm the Senior Product Manager at Holz-Her US, and today it's my pleasure to introduce you to the award-winning Evolution 7532 Vertical Machining Center. Award-winning because the Evolution won the Challenges Award at the prestigious IWF show in 2016, and then won the Visionary Award for Technology the following year at Las Vegas. And I want to point out that's the first time the same machine has won the Technology Award in consecutive shows. What makes the Evolution unique? Well, first of all, its footprint. Real estate's expensive. We need to be able to shrink down the area that we need to dedicate to our machinery. So with its nice compact footprint, the machine is very, very useful. Also now we're seeing more and more issues regarding dust contamination. The dust collection at 3 points: at the drill head, at the router head, and at the base of the machine. So it contains the dust and does a very good job as far as dust evacuation. The Evolution didn't win the Technology Awards because it's a vertical machining center. All the major builders out there build vertical machining centers. What makes the Evolution unique is in its workholding. Competitors will clamp the workpiece, and that's how they move it left to right. With the clamps, that restricts you from machining all 4 sides, and it also restricts how far you can machine on the face. In some cases, it may be necessary to load the part, do some of the machining and drilling on the front, take the part out, rotate it, and feed it back in. That's something we don't want to do. What makes the Evolution unique is in its workhold. We're utilizing the vacuum pods. So the vacuum pods are automatic position. They'll secure themselves on the workpiece. That will carry the part left to right. And again, as you can see, that gives us no restriction around the 4 sides, gives us no restriction on the base of the panel. The Evolution is a very, very well-equipped CNC machining center. Virtually the same as you get in much larger and much more expensive point-to-point machines. The machine is equipped with 15 drills. We have vertical drills in both the X and the Y axis. We also have 6 horizontal drills, allowing us to drill on all 4 sides. The Evolution is also equipped with an X-axis fixed 120 millimeter saw blade. The machine is standard with a 9 horsepower, 18,000 RPM, HSK 63 spindle, and then to support that, we have a 6-position automatic tool changer. So as you can see, it's a very multifunction machine in a much smaller footprint and more compact. The Evolution has a machining range of 48 inches drilling, 36 inches routing. We can machine a workpiece of 57 inches. If the part is going to exceed 57 inches in length, what we'll do is we'll machine the 57, engage the pneumatic clamp here that will clamp the workpiece. The vacuum pods release, they'll move back down into position, they'll re-engage, release the clamp, and we'll just keep feeding the part out. The supports on both sides of the machine can support a workpiece of about 10 foot in length. For our positioning, we have 2 areas that we can position things. On the shorter pieces, we can position here at the outbound. This is going to be my pop-up positioning pin. And for those longer pieces where we need support, we can machine on this side, and again, here's my positioning pin. Also right next to it, you see the red box. That's a laser. That's going to do a laser measurement of the workpiece as it feeds past the laser. It's going to compare that to the workpiece that's been loaded into the program, and if it's too short or too long, it'll give you a default value. The machine is designed for centralized lubrication. So we have 3 Zerk fittings, a fitting of 5 fittings in each station to make it much easier for our lubrication. On the drive, we're ball screwing X and Y. All of our ball screws are a direct drive. So we get the coupling. That gives us a very, very high ack and deck. And because it doesn't have a belt, you don't have to worry about the drying out of the belt or the stretching of the belt. So at this point, we'd like to demonstrate the unique formatting function of the Evolution 7405. I'm going to take a rectangular blank, 17 by 34. We're going to run a format cut and change it into an oval. As you can see, this is our finished part. All four sides of the panel have been cut, fully formatted, and there's no other vertical machining center in the market today that can provide this function. Okay, so at this point, we're going to locate and activate our part program. The vacuum pods are going to adjust automatically into the correct position. It's using the hops file to show it the cutting path and where the vacuum pods need to be placed to give the secure work holding, yet not get cut by the router. So now our vacuum pods are properly positioned. We're going to load the locator. We're going to slide it up to the positioning pin. We're going to activate the vacuum. Hit cycle start. So now we've completed our machining cycle. Turn the vacuum off, bring out our workpiece, and as you can see, we've completely machined around the entire perimeter of the plant. This is what makes the Evolution unique, its ability to format all four